I don't ask. While I stand here with a visit from my past, I didn't invite you, I asked you very kindly to leave when I wanted you. Please do not remind me, it was me that said, please do not go. You don't know, you can't stay. I can't sleep when you're gone. Did you know I only lie awake till morning? I consented to walk, what's the harm in a stroll? A couple of blocks couldn't take a toll. I consented to talk, what's the harm in catching up? It's been 12 blocks and back, I'll never have enough. It's me that says, please do not go. You don't know, you can't stay. I can't sleep when you're gone. Did you know I only lie awake? You said, what's the harm in trying? I say, what's the use when you know all along? You always said, each day's a new start. You must sleep well, sleeping must heal the heart.